there's something in the air. On my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Because there's something in the air. On my mind. On my mind. Because there's something in the air.
So now that this has been charged under the full moon, I'm going to add the extra ingredients. You could add more if you have them, but these are just what I'm going to add. So the first thing I'm going to add is cardamom. This is good for any sort of desire, and it's also a good grounding herb if you like to add any sort of grounding to your working. And the next ingredient is catnip. This is good for any sort of irresistibility, and it's also good for drawing and attraction. And the next ingredient is cloves. This is good for any sort of passion, any sort of contemplation, or any sort of magnetism that you would like to attract to you. I'm also going to be using 5 pieces. You don't necessarily have to do this, but this is the number that I'm going to be going with. And for an overall added boost, and also just to hasten things, you can add some cinnamon. If you use the ground form, this is a bit faster, but you can use the solid form for a bit more stability. Now that it's done, just reapply the cap and recharge under the full moon. If you would like to, you can also incorporate any sort of crystals into this, but this is how you make the oil.